Want to create AI art but find Stable Diffusion too complicated? Lykos AI Stability Matrix might be exactly what you need. It's a free tool that makes running Stable Diffusion and Flux models super easy. No coding required. Let's see if it's actually worth using. Lykos AI is a package manager for AI image generation. Think of it like an app store for Stable Diffusion. Instead of dealing with Python installations, command lines, and technical setup, you get a clean desktop app. One click installs everything. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can run popular tools like Automatic 1111, Comfy UI, and others without any hassle. First, it's completely free and open source. No subscriptions, no hidden costs. You own everything locally on your computer. The one-click installer is brilliant. Download the app, click install, and you're generating images in minutes. No messing with Python versions or dependencies. It integrates directly with Civit AI, the biggest model library. You can browse and download models right from the interface. Drag and drop works for importing your own models too. Everything is portable. Move the entire folder to a new computer and it just works. No reinstalling anything. The interface shows all your installed packages in one place. Update them with a single click, and the built-in terminal helps with troubleshooting if you need it. It supports Stable Diffusion and newer Flux models. Multiple packages can run side by side. The checkpoint manager keeps everything organized. There's a built-in interface UI powered by Comfy UI, so you can generate images without opening separate programs. You still need a decent graphics card. This runs locally, so weak hardware means slow generation. The interface is functional but not fancy, and if you hit bugs, support is community-based through Discord. Lykos AI Stability Matrix is absolutely worth it if you want local AI image generation without technical headaches. It's perfect for artists, hobbyists, and anyone who values privacy and control. Being free makes it a no-brainer. Just make sure your computer can handle AI workloads. For desktop AI art, this is the easiest way to get started. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.